Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my famous walk and talks. Here we are with another one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself principles. Principle 98, getting to the close of our series here, and man, these principles are still really great though. Now, our 98th principle today is a good one, as I just said, but this one is to take no for a question. Now, a lot of people say never take no for an answer, that it's, just don't do that, see that you can do more. Don't say, don't see that because you're rejected once that you can, don't give up there, keep going and you can get what you desire. Now, in general, that is true and rather good advice overall. Certain situations, maybe not, but overall, not taking no for an answer is a pretty good strategy. But what about when it comes to taking no for a question? What he says here is to take no, so when you ask the universe for something, or when you go after getting something you desire, and when you fail at it, basically, when you get no as an answer back, basically, from the universe, as you might say, he says to use this situation and look at it as a way of the universe saying, can't you be more creative? I would also say that it's okay to use this one to say, can't you do more? So if you feel like, oh, I tried this small thing and it failed, the universe might be saying, okay, try something a little bit bigger. Try something you desire more, okay? Now, some goals are just going to be tough to meet. That's just how some of them go. A lot of things don't play out how we picture them playing out, and they can be really difficult. But at the end of the day, if you take no for a question here of can't you do more, or as he recommends, can't you be more creative, it will make a massive difference in your ability to motivate yourself, and also you'll see that failure really isn't failure. Now, I have a few videos all about this one, but the truth is that most of life is all just about showing up, okay? If you show up in life, a majority of things are going to go your way in the long run, because a lot of people won't show up. This is why so many people fail their classes in college, because they don't show up, okay? And that's one way to be guaranteed to fail at most classes these days. Anyway, a lot of the same thing can be going, it can be true in life. A lot of things you will fail at because you don't show up. So when you desire to do something, go for it. Don't go all in, but, set a small goal and try it out. Because a lot of the things we desire are what, in the long run, is really going to make us happy. So you're not going to get out of life alive. You're not, you may live forever, you may not. But go for what you desire, because in the end, that is going to make the biggest difference in your life, and it's going to make you really happy. Anyway, that's about it for this principle. I'll see you guys next time with part 99. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.